Welcome to Moisture Macy and Umhule products. We also sell perfume. This is for the Benoni and all surrounding areas. You get a free mini makeover and you get a free patch testing. That is where we patch your foundation to your skin and we test it accordingly so that you can have the perfect foundation. Contact Beautiful Lady today, Marietta Campbell. Our number is 074 724 6225 and also 081 647 2719. As you can see, all our products are greatly priced. They are very affordable prices and it is the best makeup on the market at this moment. If you are interested, please send us a WhatsApp on either 074 724 6225 or alternatively contact us on 081 647 2719. Kindly place your orders directly to me. Very fast service and you'll be very happy with all your products. Goodbye.